I have my video here. I will place it on my timeline with this button override. This is the video track and this is the audio track. This audio track I recorded with my internal mic in 70D camera, and here is the example. Hello everyone, it's Livia here, and today's video will be another episode of monthly favorites. As you could hear, it sounds like a potato, so I had to record another audio from a different source, and in my case it was the Zoom IQ7 audio recorder for my iPhone, and I am also recording audio with this audio recorder right now, which is placed right over here in front of me. Today I will show you two ways how to combine your video with good audio together. I also have here my good audio, so I will drag and drop it to the timeline somewhere over here. The first way how to synchronize those clips is that you can select those three clips, then right click on them. Here you have option synchronize. Adobe Premiere Pro supports internal syncing, which is a great feature, so we are going to use it. Click audio, track channel 1 and hit OK. And it will move the audios to the right place. And now what you can do is to delete your bad audio, but if you don't want to do that, maybe you will need it later for some reason, just right click on this bad audio and disable it. So it will be still there, but it won't be working. We will only have your good audio. And here is the difference between my two audio recordings. Hello everyone, it's Livia here, and today's video will be another episode of monthly favorites, and I will be sharing with you what I discovered in December 2016. So let's get started. As you could hear, there was a huge difference and my second audio sounds much better. Now I will show you another way. So what you need to do is click on your video with bad audio, good audio, then right click on them, merge clips. You can name it somehow, click audio, track channel 1 and then check remove audio from AV clips. It means that it will automatically remove your bad audio. Now click OK and it will create a new clip called merged. I can drag and drop it to the timeline and I have my video with only the good audio on my timeline.